Welcome back, folks. I'm in the middle of doing cylinder heads, but it got the wrong valve stem seals. We have to get them ordered. So I took a ride on my moped, run great. I just posted something on Facebook about a three-legged dog. He run me down on the way out, and on the way in, he just gave up. So, but anyway, this is a continuation of a problem that we were having with our washing machine that wasn't. Clothes are still a little wet, but we found the problem. So give me a minute and I'll get y'all in there and I'll show you what we found. And these cats here, they're everywhere. There was one on top of the CRX. Yep. You keep feeding them. That's on me. See all the food we keep buying them. Alright. Roll on highway, roll on. All right. If y'all listen very close, that's the problem. Yep. Because my wife, when she does laundry, she can't get right in here to move them over, but with clothes in there, you couldn't hear it. So, and it just recently got worse. So, got us some valves. I bought these about a month ago. I'm just not getting around to it. So, I'm gonna get y'all saddled up here, and this is pretty easy from what I can see on the design. So, give me a minute, and I'll get y'all hosted, and we'll get started on this thing. So, I believe all we got to do, turn power off. Turn the power off, and we'll take the hose pipes loose on the back side, and then I gotta go get me a putty knife because I gotta pop these loose, pull it forward, and I believe this is the design where it comes off. We'll find out. See, my wife, she got her own tool bag, little pink hammer, stuff like that. She takes care of some stuff in the house. I could just do this. See if she'll do it. Nah. I have a feeling I won't be eating supper. Fat guy got ate. Move all the animal foods. What in the world? Oh, okay. Be back. Alright, well, maybe it's not that design. Either way, it's coming apart. Back here and look now. Unplug it. There we go. There we go. Cut the water off.
What are you doing, Daddy?
What
are you doing?
I'm in the middle of making a video, putting the new valves.
Daddy's making a video.
Yeah, she's my little informant. Until she's gonna be a good FBI agent. Tell you that right now. I'm gonna get a.
Hey, you make Mama Lisa sock.
Baby, them socks. They're with Jimmy Hoffa right now. All right. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of y'all have already installed a washing machine before, so you know the drill. Taking these pipes off, they're not difficult.
You need to pull it completely out. Look underneath.
The baby, remember I was underneath it already to take the pump loose. No, not under there. Then
Stop it, girl. Stop. I'm not with myself.
told you we're Jimmy Hoffa. Good old friend Ty Wraps. There you go. So you see that? There we go. So I just strapped them out of the way. We're lucky we put some shelves in after we moved in. There's every shelf in here. This whole room, every shelf's taken out. A lot of stuff in here. Okay. See if I can figure this out now. Hopefully my microphone resynced. Yeah, this kind of does go forward. I can see it. So this looks like it holds that. It don't look like it does anything like super important. Oh, suck it in. Aha, got little screws back here. Stop plickings. You do, monkey. I did look for these, but I didn't see them first run, so. Oh well. Blind one eye can't see out the other. There we go. Aha. We just hang that over like that. Then look at there, see? Build sheet. Comes with a nice little schematic. These are pretty simple devices anyway. They've just got a bunch of crap hung on them nowadays. So how you get this loose is supposed to use a flat blade screwdriver. But anyway, you just pull it in like that. Stick it down there in that slot with a flat blade screwdriver, not a Phillips. And then pop it like that. It just hooks in like that. Just there we go. And this is supposed to tilt forward from what I know, but you got to remove that. See, this is floopity doopity now. So I didn't want to really bring it out this far because I knew I was going to be doing this. So now I got a door and stuff in my way and dog food back behind there. And let me just see if I can just lean her forward. There we go. Almost by herself. Let's utilize this gallon of bleach. There we go. Now let's see if we can get that in here. Oh yeah. Now we cooking with oil. We cook with peanut oil now. There we go. I think I got you in there. Now I kind of knew it was going to do this to me because I figured there might be some modifications I might need to make or whatnot. Because that's just a power input. And this has got some type of level jobber. And I can make that work on here. But I'm hoping it's... I believe I can get that to work. Yep. That's how it's going to be. We're going to make it work. So yeah, you're going to see me make it work. So just a simple little connection. You got an arrowhead connector in the back. You just squeeze little end pieces. I'll bring it out and show you. I call it arrowhead. You just squeeze the like that and just pull her through. Easy peasy. Get this out of your way. Well, this isn't going to work because that piece, there's no attachment. All right. Wrong valve. I ordered by application. Same thing with them gaskets set out there. So it's that easy. All I gotta do is put it in. I already got it apart. It's really easy. So
Yeah, but I'm gonna have to use it.
I know I'm putting it back together for you to use. It's just I got to order the part now. So at least I can probably get a part number off this one. Well, guys, like I said, I'm not going to be able to make this one work, which is a rare instance out of me. But maybe I can get a part number off this thing now. It's got a part number. And I ordered this by application. But you see is what you get. So nothing I can do about it. But we're going to go ahead. I got to put it back together so my wife can still do laundry. It's not stopping us from doing laundry. So I'm going to put it back together. It's this easy. And then, but just want to let you know that was the issue that we're having. So let me button this thing back up and get back with you. It's poured out right outside. Yeah, I would have just made it work, but guess this one's got some kind of extra doodah. I mean, if I was in a pinch, you know, I could make it work, but I want it to be right for her. Get that part number real quick. to let you know the real part number for that is right there. I'm going to screenshot. There we go. And then I'll have it when I go to order here in a few minutes when I got this back together. All right. Just when you're putting this thing back together, you got to make sure these fall down in the alignment dials, pins, somethings like that. Ta-da. And let's just pretend I got the right part in there. It only got 2 clips, a plug in, and you pull it out and stick the other one in and you stick it back in. That's all there is to it. So just pretend I got the right part. So we can put these back on. You just, like that. You just hook it. And then you just mess up your carpal tunnel. Both hands. There we go. Voila. All right, that's connected. There was a wire that went over here. I bet you it fell behind here. Yep, look at that. Let's take this back off. Make sure all your wires out. And re-break your wrist. There we go. And you plug that super whammy down sensor back in. And then there the other design has got the retention clips that you push one side and it comes out. This one just got screws and little hooks. So, and oh, I didn't say up front, this is a Roper El Cheapo Type 107. About all I can tell you about it. It's been a good one. Our Enterprise spaceship died. Can't get parts. Still need to take it to the road. And this was our standby until I got the other one fixed, but never did because we cannot get the parts for it. They do not sell them anymore. So I promised her I'll buy her one with all the fancy gizmos and gadgets and stuff, because this don't do some of the stuff that she wants to get done. I thought they just washed clothes. I didn't know they. I guess they folds them and presses them. I don't know. Postman, can you sell me special kind of stamp? Suck it in. I need to recharge. I need to go get me a burrito. Need something to cut my. Like I said on the first video, the original problem was the clothes were not drying all the way, even after a spin cycle. So I took a quickie and looked at the pump. The impellers were fine. So put it back together, and then we found out the reason why, just leaking by, wrong part. So we'll get the correct one ordered, since I do have the part number now. Get it ordered, and like I said, if you just follow the video, you can do it. It's really easy. It's really, really, really easy. This thing comes apart real easy compared to a lot of other like Maytags and stuff. So we got updates. Been about 2 weeks, and looks like the right part come in. So give me a minute to get y'all hosted, and we're gonna time lapse to this one up pretty good, and just real quick, and we're gonna get this done. Give me a second. See the actual time it took me to put this in, about 8 minutes. So they're not difficult. So see, this kind of stuff you can do yourself. You know, trying to get the right parts, you know, sometimes more of a challenge than actually doing the job. So hope you like it. Just redeeming myself from the original problem where it was not after the spin, the clothes were still wet because when it stopped, we went in here immediately and saw these valves leaking. That's what the problem was. It wasn't the pump. So please like, subscribe, share. Hope you like it. Please comment something, you know. So y'all have a good evening. I can finally get back on my towel box. Alright, baby, you gonna come test this?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.